had this router table about 2 years ago. It's just a couple of pieces of MDF glued together. I think it's a 9 and a 18mm glued together with a Craig faceplate in there, and the Triton router. I think these are 2.2 horsepower routers. I really like the router. I bought this because it has the spindle that you can raise and lower the router. Unfortunately I didn't have it that long and the pin's dropped out and I've lost the pin, so I need to find some way to repair that. I did have a look on the internet to see if anybody else was having the same problem, and I can't see that. Maybe I need some epoxy glue and a little, I don't know, I might even be able to do it with quite a thick panel pin I'll cut down, but I just need something to relocate my spindle on. When it fell out a couple of years ago, I put it somewhere safe, and of course I can't find it any longer. So I took a thick panel pin and cut off both ends with the pliers, and then subsequently lost it. Oh, where's it gone? So I tried the panel pin in the hole and it fit quite well. So I decided to glue it in place with some CA glue, just protecting the rest of the router from any overspill. I let it set for a few moments, and then it seems to work just fine. So I'm currently filming the rest of this dust shroud installation, and the video will be available soon. It would be great if you could subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that video. Until then, bye.